Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful video of today. So today we want to continue from where we ended. So we are on our second topic we call road, and in road we have so many type of roads, so we'll be taking the road one after another. So in this video of today we shall be taking the first kind of road, which we call one-way road. One-way road has its sign, and this is the sign which shows that this road, a road is a one-way road. So when you are entering in any road, if you see this sign, it means this road is one way, and on this one-way road you can only go straight, you cannot come back on the other side. And on one-way road, we always have two signs placed on the road. On this one-way road, we have the first sign at the entering of the sign. If you see the sign at this entrance, you know that you can enter and you can only go straight. Then at the end of the road up, you will see another sign which will inform these other people up here not to enter, and this is the sign you will see at this other end of the road. This sign will tell you you are not to enter, and everywhere you are moving, when you see this sign, you know that these signs tell you you are not to enter into the road. So you have to take good note of that. Then we have this other sign which tell you the road is one way, and you just have to follow the arrow and you go straight. So when we are talking about one-way road, it can be one lane. When we talk about one lane, it means only one vehicle can be moving and going. When we talk about two lanes, it means that two vehicles can be moving and they are going. We talk about three lanes, it means that three vehicles can be moving on the same direction. Four lanes mean four vehicles, or five lanes means all the five vehicles can be moving towards one direction. And there on this route, there are some characteristics or some things that you must know as far as this road is concerned. So the first thing you need to know concerning this one-way road, the first thing you need to know, or you have to put in mind, know that on this road you cannot reverse. Take note, you cannot reverse on this road, you cannot make a U-turn on this road, and you cannot park on this road. So those are some of the things that you need to know. When you enter into this road, you make sure you only go ahead only. You don't have to come back on this road, you just have to go. All the vehicles on this road, they are just moving on one direction. There is no U-turn, there is no parking, there is no reverse on this road. So you have to make sure of that. So this is the road, the structure we call the one-way road. And on this one-way road, we can overtake on both sides, depending if the road is having two lanes. You can take on both sides. That is, you can overtake any vehicle on both sides. That is, you can take the vehicle on the right and you can take the vehicle on the left. So you have to know the structure of the road. You know the signs that identify the road. So that is all we want to talk about this road. Make sure you know the sign of this road. We have this one-way sign. We have an arrow pointing up in a square background. That is a sign of the one-way road. Then on the other side end of the road, you will see this cycle which tell you that you don't have to enter. And on this road, you are not supposed to reverse, you are not supposed to park, you are not supposed to make a U-turn. All vehicles move on one direction. So in case if there is a speed limit placed on this road, the speed limit apply to all the vehicles that are moving on the same direction. So they will not place different speed limit on this road. When they place one speed limit, the speed limit applies to all the vehicles that are moving on one direction. So you have to take good note of that, so that the speed limit applies to all the people that are using the lane. You are using the first lane, the second lane, the third lane, and the fourth lane. The speed limit that they place on this road it applies to all of you on this road, so you have to take good note of that. So I will be bringing you the second type of road, which we call the two-way ordinary road, or what we call the highway. So I just want you to subscribe. Make sure you put on your notification bell so that each time I uploaded another lesson, you'll be able to catch up. So in the next lesson, we shall be talking about the two-way ordinary road, or what we call the highway. So I just want you to wait for the next video. I will be coming back very soon. Thank you.